9. Mi-26 Halo. The Mi-26, known as the Halo by NATO, holds the title of the world's largest production helicopter. Its development kicked off in the early 1970s, driven by the ambitious goal of creating a helicopter with twice the load capacity of any existing model. Taking its maiden flight in December 1977, the Mi-26 made its public debut at the Paris Air Show in 1981 and became operational in Russian squadrons by 1983, with India making the first international purchase in 1986. Since then, nearly 20 countries have embraced the capabilities of this colossal helicopter, with a price tag ranging from $10 million to $12 million. In practical terms, the Halo's cargo space rivals that of a domestic C-130 transport plane, measuring 39 feet or 12 meters in length and just over 10 feet, 3.2 meters in width, boasting a minimum ceiling height of 9.5 feet or 3 meters. With the ability to carry 2 combat vehicles weighing nearly 22,000 pounds or 10,000 kilograms each, or accommodating up to 80 combat-equipped troops or 60 stretchers, the Mi-26's versatility is evident. Yet there have been instances of pushing its limits, with reports of flights carrying as many as 150 troops. Manning the Halo is a crew of 4, a pilot, co-pilot, flight engineer, and navigator. The helicopter's landing gear, a non-retractable tricycle type, is hydraulically adjustable to aid in loading and accommodate various surfaces during landing. Equipped with an 8-blade main rotor, a technological milestone, the Halo's rotor is a marvel at 105 feet or 32 meters in diameter, composed of composites, aluminum alloys, and a titanium leading edge. The helicopter's power comes from 2 robust 10,000 shaft horsepower ZMKB Progress D136 turboshaft engines, each housed in a titanium bay for added fire protection. And with features like a retractable tail skid, load sling, and advanced flight controls, the Mi-26 Halo is a testament to cutting-edge helicopter engineering. 8. Bertha Tunnel Boring Machine. Bertha, a colossal tunnel boring machine crafted by Hitachi Zosen Sakai Works in Osaka, Japan, was the star of the show in Seattle, Washington, taking on the Alaskan Way Viaduct Replacement Tunnel project for the Washington State Department of Transportation. This engineering marvel boasted a hefty 57.5-foot diameter, 17.5-meter cutter head, making it the world's largest earth pressure balance tunnel boring machine. Assembled in Seattle in June 2013, Bertha embarked on its tunneling journey on July 30th of that year, with plans to wrap up the 9,270-foot-long, or 2,800-meter tunnel by December 2015. However, Bertha hit a snag in December 2013. Just over 1,000 feet, or 305 meters into the tunnel, encountering an unexpected hurdle: damaged cutting blades. Later investigations revealed damage to the main bearing seal system, leading to a 2-year hiatus for repairs. Resuming its digging quest on December 22, 2015, Bertha faced further challenges, including a sinkhole incident that temporarily halted work. But despite Governor Jay Inslee's safety concerns, Bertha persevered, with full operations resuming on April 29, 2016. The grand breakthrough moment occurred on April 4, 2017, as Bertha's cutter head emerged into a disassembly vault at the tunnel's north portal in South Lake Union. Originally estimated to open for traffic in early 2018, delays pushed the completion date to February 4, 2019, with cost overruns reaching $223 million. Bertha, at 326 feet or 100 meters in length and weighing 6,700 short tons, 6.08 million kilograms, showcased its musical side with a special melody for the workers inside and those monitoring the tunnel borer. While its components weren't reusable, Bertha's legacy lives on as the formidable giant that conquered Seattle's underground challenges. 7. Bucket Wheel Excavator. A bucket wheel excavator, BWE, is like the superhero of surface mining. a giant machine that digs up massive amounts of earth in open-pit mining operations. But what makes it stand out is its colossal wheel with a continuous line of buckets that scoop up material as it turns. It's a heavyweight machine in every sense. And the Bagger 293, a star in the bucket wheel excavator world, currently holds the record as the heaviest land-based vehicle ever, weighing a mind-boggling 31.3 million pounds, 14.2 million kilograms. These excavators have been around for a century, evolving since the 1920s. In the 1950s, German firms ordered the world's first mega BWEs, with wheels measuring over 52 feet or 16 meters in diameter, and total lengths exceeding 590 feet or 180 meters. Fast forward to today, and we have giants like the Bagger 293, towering at 315 feet or 96 meters, stretching 738 feet or 225 meters in length, and weighing as much as 31 million pounds. The bucket wheel itself is a marvel. It's over 69 feet or 21 meters in diameter, with up to 20 buckets, each holding a whopping 530 cubic feet or 15 cubic meters of material. Now, let's talk about their moves. These mammoth machines can operate in freezing temperatures as low as -49 degrees Fahrenheit or -45 degrees Celsius, showcasing their resilience. And with advancements leaning toward automation and electrical power, they're not just powerful, they're smart too. But how exactly do they work? The bucket wheel rotates, scoops up material, and transfers it along a boom. A discharge boom then carries the load away, often to a conveyor system. Then, to balance things out, there's a counterweight boom. And beneath it all, movement systems, often crawlers, give flexibility. The BWE's superstructure can rotate, hoist, and slew, completing its tasks with speeds around 100 feet per minute, or 30 meters per minute for slewing, and 16 feet per minute or 5 meters per minute for hoisting. In simpler terms, these machines play a critical role in continuous overburden removal in surface mining. Their giant cutting wheels strip away sections of earth, and with their impressive reach and flexibility, they're like the superheroes of mining, making the colossal task look surprisingly easy. 6. Komatsu D575A. The Komatsu D575A, often dubbed the world's largest production bulldozer, is a powerhouse designed for heavy-duty tasks. Hailing from Osaka, Japan, and boasting 1,150 horsepower, 7,149 amps, or 120 volts, this mammoth machine comes in two configurations: the SR, or Super Ripper Bulldozer Ripper Combo, and the SD, or Super Dozer. The SR can move an impressive 2,430 cubic feet, or 69 cubic meters of material per pass with its standard blade, while the SD steps it up to 3,375 cubic feet, or 95.5 cubic meters if equipped with an optional blade. And when it comes to digging, the D575A3 can reach a maximum depth of 6 feet 9 inches, or 206 centimeters, using a single shank ripper. Back in 1981, Komatsu introduced the prototype, the D555A, at the ConExpo Equipment Exhibition in Houston, Texas. Economic conditions slowed down development in the 1980s, but by 1991, full production of the D575A series began. Initially popular among surface mine operators in the United States, Australia, and Japan, these colossal dozers found their way into heavy construction and quarry work too. The journey continued with field testing in North America in 1989, logging over 1,000 hours of hard work by the Cooney Brothers Coal Company in Pennsylvania. The D575A2 SR Super Ripper made its debut in 1992, with the first D575A2 SD Super Dozer joining the scene in 1995, put to work by the Princess Beverly Coal Company in West Virginia. As technology progressed, the D575A3 and D575A3 SD Super Dozer models took the stage in 2001, ensuring this colossal machine remains a force to be reckoned with in the world of heavy-duty earth moving. 5. the crawlers. For over 5 decades, NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida has relied on 2 colossal machines, known as crawler transporters, to carry rockets and spacecraft to the launch pad. These behemoths, each the size of a baseball infield, are powered by locomotive and massive electrical power generator engines, collectively weighing approximately 6.6 million pounds, or 2.9 million kilograms. That's like carrying the weight of 15 Statues of Liberty or 1,000 pickup trucks, standing at heights varying from about 20 to 26 feet, or 6 to 8 meters, depending on the position of the jacking, equalization, and leveling cylinders. These giants can transport a jaw-dropping 18 million pounds, or 8.1 million kilograms, which is equivalent to over 20 fully loaded 777 airplanes. The journey of these crawler transporters began in March 1963 with fabrication in Ohio, and they made their first move under their power on January 23, 1965. Over the years, they've played a crucial role in historical events like moving the first Saturn V rocket in 1967 and transporting the Space Shuttle Enterprise in 1979. Fast forward to recent years, and these colossal machines are still going strong. In 2019, CT-2 underwent verification and validation testing, and in 2022, it carried the Space Launch System, SLS, with the Orion spacecraft for the Artemis 1 mission, marking a historical moment. And notably, on March 29, 2023, Guinness World Records recognized CT-2 as the heaviest self-powered vehicle. What makes these crawlers truly unique is their origin in 1965, initially built to move the massive Saturn V rocket. Even after the moon landing and Skylab programs concluded, these crawlers continued their mission, transporting space shuttles for 3 decades. Now, with the shuttle era behind us, these crawlers are gearing up for the next big thing: the Artemis missions, which are set to take the first woman and the first person of color to the moon. If you had the chance, would you buy a ticket to be on the first shuttle of people on a mission to colonize Mars? Let us know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel. 4. Large Hadron Collider. The Large Hadron Collider, LHC, stands as the largest and most powerful particle collider in the world. An ambitious project built by the European Organization for Nuclear Research, known as CERN, from 1998 to 2008, stretching 17 miles, or 27 kilometers in circumference, and plunging as deep as 574 feet, or 175 meters beneath the France-Switzerland border near Geneva. This colossal tunnel is a collaborative effort involving over 10,000 scientists, numerous universities, and labs across 100 countries. Having achieved its first collisions in 2010, boasting an energy of 3.5 tera-electron-volts (TeV) per beam, the LHC made headlines by announcing the discovery of the Higgs boson in 2012. Between 2013 and 2015, the LHC underwent upgrades, reaching an impressive 6.5 TeV per beam, 13 TeV total collision energy. Then, after a maintenance hiatus and further enhancements, it reopened in April 2022. The LHC's intricate design involves 4 crossing points for accelerated particle collisions, with 9 detectors strategically placed around these points. While its primary focus is colliding proton beams, the LHC can also accelerate heavy ions in lead-lead and proton-lead collisions. Functioning as a crucial tool in particle physics, the LHC aims to test various theories, measure Higgs boson properties, explore new particles predicted by supersymmetric theories, and address unresolved questions in particle physics. The term hadron refers to composite particles, like protons and neutrons, held together by a strong force. Essentially, the LHC operates as a collider, a type of particle accelerator that brings opposing particle beams together for collisions, yielding valuable insights into the subatomic world and the governing laws of nature. Positioned in a circular tunnel with a circumference of just over 16.5 miles, or 27 kilometers, and depths ranging from 164 to 574 feet, or 50 to 175 meters. The LHC's deliberate depth variation minimizes the tunnel beneath the Jura Mountains. The LHC also harnesses the Earth's crust as a shield against background radiation, making it an extraordinary scientific endeavor in the world of heavy machinery. 3. The Stratolaunch. On April 13, 2019, the Stratolaunch carrier aircraft, setting a record for its size, soared through the skies for an impressive 149 minutes before gracefully touching down in Mojave. This monumental achievement marked the culmination of years of dedication since 2012, during which Stratolaunch, a company founded by Bertha and backed by Paul G. Allen, meticulously designed, built, and tested the world's largest composite aircraft. The company's overarching mission is to revolutionize orbital access to space, striving to make it more convenient, reliable, and routine. The roots of this colossal aircraft project trace back over 2 decades, a concept that Stratolaunch founder Bert Rutan had been toying with since the late 1990s. With fluctuating customer interest, various designs were explored before gaining momentum in 2011 when Paul Allen gave the green light. Before finalizing the contract, though, the team worked diligently to validate fabrication costs. This involved constructing demonstration pieces to optimize the pounds of material labor per man-hour, a crucial factor influencing the aircraft's design, featuring flat-sided fuselages and a predominantly straight wing. And what was the result? The awe-inspiring Stratolaunch carrier aircraft, weighing in at a staggering 1.3 million pounds, 589,670 kilograms, and stretching an impressive 238 feet, or 72.5 meters in length, with a wingspan reaching 385 feet, or 117.4 meters. The company's commitment to pushing the boundaries of aerospace technology isn't only reflected in the monumental first flight, but also in the ongoing pursuit of enhancing space travel for the future. And for those seeking a closer look, high-resolution first flight photos are available for download on scaled.com. 2. Liebherr LR-13000 Crawler Crane. The Liebherr LR-13000 stands out as the most powerful traditional crawler crane globally, and it finds its sweet spot in power plant and refinery construction. This heavyweight crane is designed to effortlessly lift incredibly heavy components, a must-have in the world of power plants where colossal weights are the norm. And in refineries, it gracefully handles industrial columns weighing a staggering 3.3 million pounds, or 1.5 million kilograms, and stretching 328 feet, or 100 meters in length. But despite its mammoth size, this crane can be transported worldwide at a low cost, thanks to its ability to manage individual weights of up to 154,400 pounds, or 70,000 kilograms. What sets the LR-13000 apart is its unique capability to operate without derrick ballast, a feature facilitated by a slewing ring developed by Liebherr with extraordinary lifting prowess. In the world of heavy machinery, the LR-13000 is a true heavyweight champion, making complex construction tasks look like a walk in the park. 1. Le Tourneau L-2350. The P&H L-2350 wheel loader, once known as the L-2350 loader, is a heavyweight champion in surface mining, proudly holding the Guinness World Record for the biggest earth mover. Crafted by Komatsu Limited, this loader is a powerhouse designed to efficiently load haul trucks with colossal capacities of up to 400 short tons, or 362,874 kilograms, and with an impressive operating payload of 80 short tons, or 72,575 kilograms, a lift height of 23 feet, or 7 meters, and a reach of 11.5 feet or 3.5 meters. The L-2350 is a force to be reckoned with. Originally manufactured by Le Tourneau Inc., the loader changed hands over the years, with Marathon, Rowan Companies, and finally, Joy Global, which gave it the name P&H L-2350. This colossal machine exemplifies the evolution of heavy equipment in surface mining, showcasing both power and precision in its impressive capabilities. Which one of these heavy machines impress you the most? Let us know what you think in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.